Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Amin, your English teacher, and today we're going to learn the word back and how it's used in phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are a combination of a verb and a particle, and they often have a meaning different from the individual words. Did you know that the word back usually means to return somewhere or return something to a place? Let's dive in and see how it works. First, let's look at some examples of phrasal verbs with back. Bring it back. Imagine you borrow a book from your friend. After reading it, you should bring it back. So you say, I will bring the book back to you tomorrow. Here, bring it back means to return it to your friend. Bring me back. Now think about taking a trip by car with a friend. If your friend drives you there, you might say, can you bring me back home? This means to return you to your home. Send it back. What if you buy something online, but it's broken? You might need to send it back. For example, the toy was broken, so I sent it back to the store. Here, send it back means to return the toy to the store by mail or delivery. Call you back. Let's say someone calls you, but you can't talk. You might say, I'll call you back later. This means to return the phone call. Pay someone back. Lastly, if you borrow money from your parents, you need to pay them back. For example, I borrowed money from dad, but I've paid him back now. Here, paid him back means to return the money you borrowed to your dad. Take something back. What if you buy a shirt, but it doesn't fit? You might need to take it back to the store. For example, the shirt was too small, so I took it back to get a larger size. Here, take something back or take it back means to return it to the store where you bought it. Give something back. Imagine your friend lends you a pen, and after using it, you give it back to them, him or her. For example, I borrowed Sarah's pen, but I gave it back to her after class. Give it back means to return something to its owner. Put something back. Let's say you take a book from a shelf, and after reading a bit, you put it back. For example, I took the book to read a few pages, then I put it back on the shelf. Here, put it back means to return something to its original place. Now, let's spotlight the phrase get back. It's very useful in different situations. Get back from somewhere, like get back from school. If someone asks, when do you get back from school? They mean, when do you return home from school? Get something back. If you want your money returned, you can ask, can I get my money back? Get back to sleep. And if you wake up in the middle of the night and can't sleep again, you might say, I can't get back to sleep. That's all for today's lesson on phrasal verbs with back. Remember, back often means to return something or return to a place. Now I have a fun question for you. Can you think of a time when you had to bring something back or get back home quickly? Tell us your story in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos. See you next time.